No distractions, just clear instructions. In the first step, go to Settings, then select Home Screen and Dock. Next, pick Widgets. In the next step, launch the App Store. After that, look up Widgetsmith. Now press Get. In the next step, open Widgetsmith. Then press Add Widget. Now pick a size. In the next step, tap the widget. Later, select a design. Now modify colors and fonts. In the next step, press and hold the home screen. Later, tap the add icon. Next, look for Widgetsmith. After that, place the widget. You are good to go.